How to check login activity on Gmail. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can check your login activity on Gmail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check your login activity on Gmail, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then open up Gmail, then just log into one of your Gmail accounts here. So let's say I want to check all of the login activities of my Google account, or it also known as my Gmail account. After I open Gmail, I'll just tap my Google profile photo from the top right. Here you'll find a section which says Google account, so you want to make sure to tap on this Google account button. Now once you tap on Google account, what you want to do is you want to simply scroll over to the option called security here. Once you go to security, if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see all the login sessions. So you can see the option called your devices. So basically when you go to all devices, you'll be able to see a list of devices that are currently logged into your Gmail or also your Google account. If you'd like to remove either of these, you can tap on it over here. You can just tap the option called sign out and the device is going to be logged out. And this is simply how you can check your login activity on Gmail. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.